All right, we're going to do rational inequalities. So rational inequalities, the difference with an equation and an inequality is I'm going to get something like this. I'm going to get oops, that was minus. Need to get a common denominator, which is going to be x plus 1 times x minus 2 I didn't make it an inequality. So what did I multiply this by to get here? X minus 2. What did I multiply this by to get here? X plus 1. What did I multiply this by to get here? X plus 1. I'll multiply by the denominator to cancel it out. I'm going to combine like terms. I'm going to get the x's to the same side, so I'm going to subtract that over, and I'm going to get the constants to the same side, so I'm going to add that over. And tells me x is greater than or equal to 8. But on a number line, I have something funky happening. So I get 8, which is here, and it's included. But I also have to do my restrictions. So my restriction is going to be x cannot equal -1. X cannot equal 2. So I'm going to go to I'm going to go to 2 first. And I'm going to go to -1. And what I have to do on these is I have to see if it works in this zone over here, in this zone over here, in this zone over here. And I already know it's going to be greater than this, so I know it's going to work in that zone over there. So the way that I do that is I pick a number that's over here. So a number that's less than -1 is -2. I'm going to plug -2 into the function and see if it gives me a true statement. So 3 over -2 plus 1 plus 4 over -2 minus 2 greater than or equal to 6 over -2 minus 2. 3 over -1 plus 4 over -4 greater than or equal to 6 over -4. That's -1. Oh, sorry, -3. That's -1. That's -1.5. -4 is greater than or equal to -1.5. That is not true. So that means this area over here, it can't be in this area. Then I'm going to try inside of here, -1 to 2. So a number in between -1 and 2 is 0. I'm going to try 0. The same thing, 3 over 0 plus 1 plus 4 over 0 minus 2 greater than or equal to 6 over 0 minus 2. 3 over 1 plus 4 over -2 greater than or equal to 6 over -2. That's 3 plus -2 greater than or equal to -3. 1 is greater than or equal to -3. That is true. So that means from here to here is also true on the statement. Then I'm going to try something in between 2 and 8. I'm going to try 6. So 3 over 6 plus 1 plus 4 over 6 minus 2 greater than or equal to 6 over 6 minus 2. 3 over 7 plus 4 over 4 greater than or equal to 6 over 4. 3 over 7, I'm going to use my calculator. 0.428. 0.428 plus, that's 1, greater than or equal to, that's 1.5. That's 1.428 greater than or equal to 1.5. That's not true, so it can't be in here. So that means I know that x cannot be -1, that's why I left it open, and I know that x cannot be 2, so that's why I left it open. So The way that I would write the answer for this is I would say -1 is less than, it can't equal that, x is less than 2, and x is greater than or equal to 8 from this. So that's my total answer. So on this one, we actually have to try the different regions out when we have inequalities, and we have to see which ones work. When it's your restrictions, which come from the denominator, those are always open circles. This one, it depends on if it has the underline or not, whether this one's a closed circle or an open circle.